Everyone, welcome to Everything Data Analytics. In today's quick Excel tutorial, I'm going to show you how to automatically add borders using conditional formatting. So this is a super way of super useful for highlighting important data without manually adjusting borders every time you are adding data. So let's get started. So assuming you are having this particular project or data set and you want to add border to it, you want to add border line, and then when you keep updating the data, you want the border line on that you have added to keep or to update automatically without manually doing that. So and that's what we are going to be doing here. So now the first thing that we are going to do is to select our data. That's the first thing that we are going to do. We'll select our data, select the range of our data, then go to conditional formatting, then go to new rule. Once you are in new rule, then you use a formula to determine which cell to click on that. So now once you click that, come down to this place and then click this, your first, or that's the first row, click the first cell. So I'm going to be clicking it. Then you use your F4 to lock your formula, then you lock it twice, 1 2. That means you click on your F4 on your PC, click on it twice, so till you be having this dollar sign and the reference cell. So now you go to format. Once you are in format, then you go to border, then click on outline and click OK, then click this OK. Now you can see that it has automatically added border. So let's assume I want to add more or updated file. So I'll just be, if I want to add more updated file, you can see monthly. Then if I want to add the 25.02.03, then okay, 25, let's click this. So I can just copy this. Let me copy this, copy this, then come right here. You can see that it's updating. Then also here, do the same thing. Okay, our date format. So you do the same thing here, 25. Let's see, February. Let me just write February 3. Let's see if it updates. February 3. Good, it has updated. Then let me write this pending, and then let's write this oh February 1. So you can see now that this has updated. So now if I write another thing to you, you can see now that this keep updating and it keep adding different, or it keep adding to our it keep, the borderline keep updating. You can see now that the borderline keep updating. So you can see now that our borderline keep updating once I put something there. So now let's assume now that in this project status, you want to add, or you want to format the project that such as if it is pending, it should show this color, the pending should show this color, then in progress should show this color. So now let's assume that we are having that. Now I will just write highlight this particular cell, then go to conditional formatting, new rule, then use formula, come right to this place, and this, then your F4 twice, then I'm going to format, go to format, go to fill. So if it is pending, oh, okay. So now if go back to this place, let's go back to this place. So if our uh if this is showing, if it is equals to pending, if it is equals to pending, let it show this format. Okay, it's not showing that, so I think we need to, okay, I know what the issue is. So click this. If this is showing, okay, if this is showing, if this is equals to uh pending, I think it's case sensitive. So let's try and check that first. Okay, so what we are going to do is to highlight this here, highlight this, then click on new rule, then use the same uh, rule type, use a formula to determine which cell to format, then equals to this, that's the header, that's the title of our column, which is the status, then your F4, click on your F4 twice, equals to, and then it is case sensitive, introduce your double quote. If it is equals to pending, then close your double quote, come right to this place, then use this rule. If it is equals to pending, then okay. Now again, I'm going to go back to my conditional, then I'm going to click on manage rule, then new rule again, use the same thing, and then click this F4, one to do it twice. If it is equals to that's introduce your double quotes now, completed, remember it is case sensitive, then close your double quote, format, if it is completed that will be green, then apply, then again you can decide to do manage rule again, new rule, then the same format, this your that's your effort twice, equals to, if it is in process, or in progress, case sensitive, then in progress, that's in progress. Okay, so and then check the spelling, in progress, then close your double quote, format, then in progress. Okay, in progress will be this, then click this, then change this to this, then our the first true, this our first tree here, I'm going to be changing it to, I want to edit the rule, pending should be, red, that's the project has not started. So I'm going to be clicking apply. So you can see that now that it has changed. So now if I write here as completed, you can see if I write here pending, can see it's applying to the same rule. If I write here in progress, you can see now, and that is how to use conditional formatting to add border and also to add rules to your data set in Excel. If you find this video very useful and helpful, kindly click the subscribe button, subscribe to my channel, and also click the notification button to receive updates from all the tutorial that we share every week. Bye.